My name is Amelia Clark. I am from Brazil. I am a psychic reader and aura reader. I'm also a psychoanalyst, and I want to invite you on the 22nd and 23rd of May to join me and Kristina in a rose meditation course that will be online. The rose meditation is an in-the-body meditation where you will learn several techniques that will work on your energy field. Nowadays we need techniques that will work on our energy because we're very mixed up in our thoughts, in our actions, in our words, with everything that is going on around us. The world nowadays is holding intense energies that need to be worked on. Either they are our own energies of our own karmas, or they are other people's energies, human karmas. When we have techniques that will help us have clarity of what is going on inside us and around us, we can be at service for ourselves and for others. So the rose meditation will help you cleanse your chakras, will help you see your chakras, have clarity of what is going on inside you, have clarity of who you are and what you want. It will help you separate your energy from other people's energy so that you have focus on yourself and so that you can know how to deal with everything that is around you. It will help you ground yourself, connect yourself to the power of Mother Earth for you to have presence, for you to have focus, for you to have strength, empowerment. It will also connect you to higher frequency energies of the divine, of the cosmos, so that you can use that power for the good, for the evolution, for other people and for yourself. If you're feeling very dense, if your thoughts are very negative, if you feel that your energy needs to be worked on, this is a technique for you. If you work with other people, if you are a therapist like I am, or even if you're not, but you deal with many people in your everyday life, you definitely need a technique to work on your energy. And this is what the rose meditation is for. The first time that I received this technique, I had two friends, they were a couple, and they were dealing with many difficult things in their lives. And I had this savior syndrome where I have to be good with everyone and I have to help everyone. So I was dealing with all the issues that they were dealing with. I was trying to help them all the time, 100%. And they were creating a very difficult reality for themselves, but they had no clarity on that. They were not seeing that. And I was there all the time trying to help. And I was feeling everything that they were feeling, and I was in their story. And finally I learned this technique because for you to be a psychic reader, you need to know the rose meditation. So the first time that I actually used the technique, I went to my friend, I had a meeting with her, and my energy was completely different. I could feel her, but I felt her outside of me. I felt her 100%, but she was outside of me. So I could talk to her and I could listen to her without the anxiety of having to save her. I could notice what I was feeling. I could notice my desire of saving her, but I wasn't mixed up on that. I wasn't lost on that. I had the separation, the neutrality for me to observe her and observe myself in that dynamic. So I finally had the clarity and the maturity to work on that through the years and to work on my savior syndrome. So I still like to help people, but now I know until where I can go so that I can really be at service, and I'm still at service for myself and my family while I am at service for the world. So it's an issue of finding balance and health to deal with everyday life and to deal with all the complex energetical dynamics that we have in the world today.